Hi, I'm standing at 5415 Bayshore Drive here in one of Nanaimo's most prestigious North End neighborhoods. Behind me, you're seeing a 1,600 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom rancher with an attached 2-car garage. This 1,600 square foot rancher has had some updates, including a heat pump, some hardwood floors, a few other updates throughout, and is ready for your imagination. If you've been looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom rancher in a prestigious North Nanaimo neighborhood, then 5415 Bayshore Drive is worthy of a look. For a detailed information package or to book a private showing, please reach out to our client care team at coopergroup.ca. I'm John Cooper with the John Cooper Real Estate Group, and we are ready when you are.